I'm Randi Teague, and I live in Orlando, Florida.
And Randi, what type of Mercedes Benz do you have?
I have a 300 CD, it's black, 1985, turbo diesel. I think that's everything.
Why this particular model?
My first car was a 300 D turbo diesel, black Palomino interior, just like my car. And my cousin, her first car was like a 1978 CD. So I always loved my car, but wanted her body style. And I guess I just sort of, something I've been waiting for a couple of decades. So yeah.
What do you enjoy about driving this car?
It feels like home. It is, because it is so similar to my first car. And that was my first driving experience. That's what I love about it. So, yeah.
Okay. What have you learned by having Pierre Hedary work on your car?
Well, I know nothing about cars, so anything that I have learned, I learned from Pierre. And but he was a big factor in helping me find my car, which is, I mean, that's priceless because it is my dream car, and I finally have it. Woohoo!
Okay. This is if you watch his channel, do you?
I have not often, but
okay.
Yeah.
Well, if you the videos you did watch was watching our channel helping you maintain your car. Has it helped you maintain your car?
I'm just getting my car today, so this is it's all I will, I guess.
Okay, so you haven't done any maintenance on the car yourself?
No.
Will you be doing any?
I'll check the fluids, then I'll be driving it out here.
That's good thing. Yeah, air pressure and fluids. That's
yeah.
a big one. How did you become interested in Mercedes Benz?
Before I had my car, I had an uncle who would let me drive his Mercedes through the pasture, and not so legally on the roads when I was 13. So I had experience driving them through him. So yeah.
That's interesting. When you said your uncle let you drive the car through the pasture, the first thing that came to my mind was age. Were you like at least 13 or 12 or in double digits at least?
Well, he would let me ride, and his son, when I was 7, so his son was like 11, and it was a 450, so we were taking the convertible through the pasture.
Tell us more. Any memories?
Just, I just remember like always just hopping in, and we'd go for a spin. Like most people, you gotta mix it up. Can't always take a truck through the pasture. And he has since had one of the Mercedes SUVs and painted it camouflage for his one ranch. So he's continued owning the Mercedes, and so yeah. And I actually, when he would get a new Mercedes, once I was of legal driving age, he would let me drive it. So I have lots of Mercedes driving experience. I'm a good chauffeur.
That's awesome. How do you feel that this particular Mercedes Benz complements your personality?
I don't know, but this is my car. Like I mean, I've got my car. I don't know. I'm a I don't know, conservative. No, just kidding. I just feel this is the perfect car for me. There's not a new car I want. This is my car, and you can cremate me and throw me in the car, glove compartment. So.
That's a nice segue into the next question. How do you feel that do you believe that modern Mercedes and classic Mercedes are very different from each other? If so, why?
I would, just my opinion, I would say yes, just because, I don't know, it's such a time, like I think of this car as a sort of like my childhood and all of the fun and good times I had then. So I feel like a new Mercedes is more adult, and I'm not an adult yet.
Okay, that's awesome. Randi, thank you so much for taking out the time to Let us ask you a few questions about your Mercedes and enjoy driving your Classic Mercedes.
Watch out for me.
Anything else you want to say to the audience?
That's it. I will not be taking mine through the pasture.
Okay, awesome.